All right, let's consider another one of these. So once again, probability is going to be favorable over total, whereas odds is the favorable uh, over the unfavorable versus against, which would be unfavorable to favorable. So first of all, let's take a look at the probability. In this particular problem, there's 1,000 tickets, 25 winners. So we have 25 favorable responses over 1,000 total. This is going to reduce down to 1 over 40. I don't really feel like doing that math because that would be the probability of winning. But we aren't doing the probability today. What we're looking at is the odds in favor of winning. So in order to do this math, in favor would be 25, and out of favor would be 100. Let's see now, 975. Now these do reduce. So what you're going to want to do is go over to your handy dandy calculator, figure out how many times 75 goes into 975, and then go from there. All right. So as you can see, we did 975 divided by 25. We got 39. And so this is going to reduce to 1 in favor and 39 out of favor, which makes sense because it's 1 out of 40. So I just subtracted 1. So if I come down here, estimate the odds against winning this raffle, this is going to be 39 against or 39 unfavorable to 1 favorable. So you have a 39 to 1 chance of losing. You have a 1 out of 39 chance or 1 to 39 chance of winning. And that's how that works. Pretty simple stuff. All right. So we aren't doing probabilities today. We're doing odds. So 1 to 39 would be an answer. 39 to 1 would be an answer. This again is against, and this is in favor of. All right. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Now what we're going to do is convert odds to probabilities. So when we do these, we start with the odds, 1 to 8, and they want to know what's the probability going to be. So the probability of winning some fries is going to be 1, which is the favorable, because it does say in favor is 1. Out of, it's not going to be 8, because 8 would be the unfavorable, but we're going to add those together. 1 plus 8 gives us 9 total. This is the favorable and 8 unfavorable, so added together gives us 9 in total. So it's just going to be 1 over 9. When we go to divide that, let's go ahead and try that out now. We'll divide 1 over 9, should know that. Now I think about it, I did know that because 5 divided by 9 is 0.5 forever, go team. 1 divided by 9 is going to be 0.1 forever. So this would be 0.11 forever would be our probability. The odds against winning a new car are a ton of fun. What's the probability of winning that car? So the probability of winning the car is going to be the total, which if I add just one more, I get 1 out of, or no, the odds against. So I don't want to, what's the probability of winning the car? I have 1 chance out of 4 million. All right. So 1 divided by 4 million is going to be a really, really, really tiny number. Get 0.6 zeros and a 2.5. So this ends up being 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 7 would be our probability there. Or you could just type in 0.1234565. Either of those answers is fine. Go team. So this would be the probability of winning fries. The probability of winning the car. Again, this is against, so these are reversed. We just added those two numbers together to get 4 million, and 1 divided by the total is my favorable response. All right. Okay, we'll come back to the, now let's give it a shot. We'll do the next one. If the odds in favor of winning a CD player in school are 1 out of 49, what's the probability of winning the CD player? We're going to add those together, and it'll be 1 out of 50, and then you would divide that math. The odds against winning the grand prize are this many. So this is going to be 1 out of 12,000. There's my bell. Got to be wrapping it up. What's the probability of winning the grand prize? Would be 1 out of 12,000, 1 out of 50. So we'll jump over here. And we find out that 1 divided by 50 is just going to be 0.02. But 1 divided by 12,000 is going to be 8.3 forever times 10 to the power of negative 5. So we have 0.02 and 8.3 forever.